We're going to take a quick ride down Old Shell Road in Spring Hill. I'm not going to venture too far out from the house in a Subaru and going like 2 miles an hour. Otherwise, don't try this at home. We're going to venture off here to the right. An absolutely beautiful view. So is that. Bang!
No one lives there. It's like
Beautiful view. Who would have thought Mobile, Alabama on January 21st, 2025, we would have a winter storm. Yep. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. I watched Miss Rogers this morning. Let's go, snow! Let's go, snow! Well, I bet you the staff at Circle K is pleasantly not busy. When all else fails, Waffle House is open. So Spring Hill Avenue, this is normally a very busy street. Home sweet home.